You know, there's one more rule that I want to add to our free body diagram rule, so I'm going to write it right here. Tension goes out of both ends of the rope and is the same at each point. We're going to understand this one when we do example 2, which we'll do maybe in this video, maybe in the next. You don't know. Okay, so here we go. Let's do a free body diagram for number 1. So notice I've already drawn a point here. Draw points. Don't draw boxes. Draw points. Now, we're going to draw the normal force on this object pointing up. I'm using those abbreviations. And it turns out the weight force points down. I'll call that Fg. Okay. These arrows should be the same length because these forces balance. That's why the object stays in this table. And then we have this force F. You see this force F here? You just throw those into the free body diagram and you're going to be fine. So that's a pretty simple free body diagram. There's not a lot here. Now, what I want to do is show you this second example. So we have 2 free body diagrams to draw. So each object in a system gets its own free body diagram. In fact, I'm going to actually add that, and I'm going to make that, you know what? I'm going to shrink this down a little bit, and I'm going to make this rule 0. Okay? Rule 0. Each object in a system, meaning a system is something that I give you, or a drawing. Each object in a system, or in a problem, each object in a system gets its own free body diagram. So those are all the rules of the free body diagrams. We did a little example problem here. And you know what? I'm going to go back and do number 2 in its own little video just for you next.